Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 55 here for a call. So we'll see if the price can come down a bit more. And I should note I'm doing options here. If you're not familiar with options, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, which will walk you through terminology, how they work. Options kind of have a reputation of being complicated, and they can be complicated, but they can also be approached in a more simple way. And I trade them from more of the simple angle. So if you're someone that likes to just take more so the simple approach to things, like I said, comment below guide, please, or option guide, and I will link you to that free class. So like I said, I'm looking. See if I can get one here at 56. So got one at 56.50, a call that is. And out for a little $50 scalp there. So nice start to the morning. I will go ahead and pause. I'm thinking about maybe trying again if it wants to come back down. This time play some sort of potential double bottom, but we'll see what happens. I'll pause. Have an order at 54 here for another call. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. I will pause. Have an order at 55. Yeah, I'm going to cancel that out. Let's go to 53.50 at this point. Okay, coming down. Need a little bit more. Nope. Go to 52.50 now instead. All right, I'll pause. Okay, going for a put here at 52.50. Looks like I was too slow for that. Okay, I'll pause. Have an order at 52.50 for a put, and was slightly off on the entry as it went up there, and I wasn't quite right. But I'll pause. I'm going to try for a put here at 54.50. In there at 54.50 for a put. All right, not the best entry point here. So out for a $20 loss on that one. All right, let's see what else I can find. I will pause. Have an order at 54. For a second, I was looking relatively close. All right, I'll pause. Okay. On the best, there we go. I'm in at 54. See if it wants to come down. And out there for $120 gain on that one. Very good. I will. Now you probably don't see it reflected because it says 100 there, but you got to remember I was down 120. So that's why that says 100. So very good. I'll pause. Have an order at 50.50 here for a call. Okay, let's go to 49.50 now at this point. I should have stayed at 50.50. It would have worked out just fine. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 49.50 like I said. There is a breakdown. Needed to come down just a bit more. All right, we'll go to 49.10 now instead. Go to 48.70 now. Come on. Oh, close. Come on. There we go. In at 48.70. See what it wants to do here. Very jumpy right now, and out for $30 on that one. So it was not the best entry point, but never felt like I needed to go into loss prevention mode in the sense of needing to take a loss. I didn't even feel like I needed to go for break even, but I did feel like, all right, let me just try to go for a little bit less than what I wanted. So got $30 on that one, but I need to stop talking because yeah, let's try 46.50. Double checking. Let's go make it. Throw an order out there at 45.50 now. So if this wants to push down again, I will be ready. I'll pause for now though. Have an order at 50.50 here. Actually, I don't think that's going to be quite timed up right. Let's try 49.50. Looking for a put here. Want to see the price come up a bit more. I will pause. I'm at 48 here for a put. All right, going to cancel that out. Let's go to 47 now instead. I'm going to adjust this down to that. What was that previous breakout area right there? Yeah, 70. Yes, I like that blue line a lot. 72. All right, I'll keep a close eye on that for a put. Have an order at 48.70 here. I was just on the best. And I'm in there at 48.70 for a put. So out of that one for $10 loss, not quite the entry that I wanted. Shot up a bit too much. So like I said, I'll just err on the side of caution and take a $10 loss. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 46.50 for a put. In there at 46.50 and out for $50 in the blink of an eye. So that's why I say just keep losses small and you can wipe them away very, very quickly. That last one was a $10 trade or $10 loss and I got it back plus $40 in my pocket very, very quickly. So just cut the losses and you don't have to trade impressively at all. And remember, there's been 2 losses. Let me bring up my marker. As a reminder, bring that over. As a reminder, through the course of this video, there were 2 red trades over here. There were 2 red amounts, but I kept them small, and now everything is back to green. So, I mean, I hope that if there's any learning lesson here that you walk away with is just, yeah, keep losses small. And don't find yourself needing to trade like a superhero in order to get your gains back. Because if you find yourself needing to trade like a superhero, I would submit to you that you need to improve on in your risk management department. All right, I'm going to go to 45.10 now for the next put. We'll see if it can work its way up there. I will go ahead and pause. All right, it is a little past 9, or not. It's a little past 11, which is just over 90 minutes, which is what I'm trying to cap my trading at, give or take. And because this is just a side hustle for me. I have multiple streams of income. I encourage you to do the same. So this is just a side hustle. And if in 90 minutes I can put $200 in, well, 220, but with commissions, probably right around about 200, 205-ish. If I can put that in my pocket, 90 minutes working from home, pressing some buttons, I am not a greedy savage. I am very happy with that. Now, I understand we're all in different places in your life. For me, I have 6 kids. I want to have freedom of time. So, like I said, I want to be able to go do what I want with my time. I don't need a private jet. I don't need a Lamborghini. If that's your goal, if that's why you're doing trading, good, cool, go for it. I hope you get those things. But for me, freedom of time and just, throwing in money wherever I can from the multiple streams of income. So I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make $200 in 90 minutes, working from home. And that's what happened here. And I'm happy with that. Sure, I would have liked more. I had those couple losing trades and so on and so forth. So I would have liked more than the couple $100. But that kind of makes me sound like a greedy savage. Like I'm not happy with $200 in 90 minutes. That's kind of bizarre when you say that out loud, especially if you make minimum wage and there's some guy complaining about making $200 in 90 minutes. But I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So again, I hope the learning lesson here that you walk away with is just cut the losses, keep them small. And when you do that, you can overcome them and still walk away with good quality money. So thanks for watching. Take care. If you enjoy these, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.